Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that subscription button because today we are diving into one of the most important topic for any aspiring content creators or all the new YouTubers. What you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. It is not all a matter of just starting a YouTube channel. There is what you need to know before you start it. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel for fun, for business, or you finally achieve your dream of monetization. This video will save you months of trial and error. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch until the end so to take you through one-on-one what you should know before you start your YouTube channel. Grab a pen because we are about to break it all down. The YouTube algorithm, the content ideas, monetization, equipment, branding, consistency, and the truth nobody tells you, all in one place. So let's get started. Know why in real you want to start a YouTube channel, my darling. Before you upload the first video, you need to ask yourself one question. Why do you actually need to start a YouTube channel? Is it for money? Is it for monetization? Are you passionate about it? Is it for creativity? Or you want to be an influencer? You know, there are many reasons as to why you might want to start your YouTube channel. Because your why will determine the style, your niche, your consistency, and how you handle the slow growth. Of course, YouTube, it is not a matter of you wake up one day, you start a YouTube channel, and boom, you are monetized. No. You need to be patient, okay? Most people quit YouTube because they lack idea. Find your niche, but don't limit yourself too early, my darling, okay? It is good to start a niche, but don't focus on one. You need to go random. Why? Because you never know which niche, which topic your viewer or your viewer might love. Okay, everyone say pick a niche, right? But there is the truth. You don't need the perfect niche to start. You just need your first direction. YouTube in 2025 is all about value, retention, and consistency. The topic that are in YouTube for 2025 are the tutorial, vlogs, review, how-to videos, lifestyle content, cooking, tech, beauty, travel, story time, and blogging. All those are the niche that you need to consider. Okay, those are the main trending niche that one needs to consider before starting a YouTube channel, my darling. Okay, number 3, equipment you actually need. You don't just wake up to start a YouTube channel, my darling. There are those equipments that you need for you to start a YouTube channel. Here the good news: you don't need an expensive camera or light to start your YouTube channel. All you need is a smartphone, natural lighting. As for me, like right now, I'm just using the natural lighting of my kitchen. As you can see, I'm just right here in my kitchen. That is it. As long as you're being seen, okay? Clear audio. You need to have a clear audio, my darling. Okay? As for me, I'm just using this microphone. So your audience get what you are saying. So focus on sound first. Remember, consistency beats perfection. You don't need to be perfect, my darling. Okay, just start where you are. Start with that, the idea that you have. You're good to go with it. Start it. Okay, number 4, mastering the YouTube algorithm, my darling. Okay, this is the part of the most creator ignore, but it is what separates slow channel from the bigger channels. Okay, the YouTube algorithm 2025 focus on the click-through rate. That is CTR, click-through rate. Okay, my darling, you title and thumbnails. Your thumbnails need to be eye-catching, in a sense that when I just see, my darling, I must click on that thumbnail. Okay, I must click it. I want to see what is there. Audience retention, keeping people watching. I need to know what is next. I don't want to scroll or start watching in the first 3 seconds, then I click and go. I want to see what is next, my darling. Okay, watch time. Longer video, definitely people love it and they earn trust from your audience. When you always make sure you give your audience longer video for them to get used to. Don't start even your YouTube channel with shorts. Those people will be lazy. If you know, most people who watch shorts are lazy. They only want things that they go faster, 3 seconds, 15 seconds, they're done. Okay. Consistency, post regularly. I did not say that you post after 2 hours in YouTube, my darling. You'll be flagged. Okay. Consistency means even if it is after 2 days, make it. YouTube understand that after 2 days you need to post. Your channel will post. Even if it is after 1 week, there are those people who post 2 videos per week or 1 video per week. That is, make sure it is consistent, that you'll be posting like that, so that the YouTube algorithm will understand that your channel, it will post at this certain time, you understand. Even your audience will understand that way, my darling. Okay. Viewer satisfaction, comments, likes, and shares. A viewer who is satisfied with the video will definitely comment, will definitely like your video. Okay, so make sure before you start a YouTube channel, you focus on those things, my darling. Okay, to help the algorithm push your video, make sure your title is clear. You understand? Make the title clear. What you write on the title, it is what it is in that particular video. Okay, thumbnail is bold. You understand? I'm going to show you on how to create a thumbnail in my next video. So if you want to know how to create a thumbnail, my darling, let me know in the comment section. The easiest way. You don't even need to struggle, bestie. Okay, I'm here right for you. Okay, make the introduction of that particular video to be hooking. Okay, you don't need to be perfect, but just make a very short introduction for someone to understand what is in the video. Okay, my darling. Okay, if your video keeps people watching, YouTube will recommend to thousands of people. Definitely audience retention. It will make the YouTube algorithm to push your video further. Okay, yes. Number 5, creating content that actually gets views. It is not a matter of just waking up and creating content, my dear. You need to show YouTube, or you need to show viewers that your content, it is worth watching. Okay, before you start recording, ask yourself, will people click on that content? Does this solve a problem? You understand? As YouTube, you know, it's a research social space. You understand? People go like, I want to know this, refer, go to YouTube. You understand? So you need to give out something that people will look. Yeah? Evergreen content that even after 2 years, people will come and look for it to watch, my darling. Okay, is it entertaining or education? You understand? Either entertaining or it teaches someone. It's an educational content. That is an evergreen content, my darling. Okay, is it searchable on YouTube? As you search a YouTube channel or content, you must make sure your video or your content or a niche, it is searchable in YouTube, because YouTube have particular niches. So you understand, when you just click cooking channels will appear, vlogging will appear. You understand? Monetization, YouTube growth, they'll appear. Definitely, my darling. Okay? So in this side, I'm going to tell you the best video for beginner, fresh YouTuber. Okay, how to videos, review, tutorial, day in the life, trending challenges. You understand those challenges that are trending? You can start with that. It will definitely trend, my dear. Cooking recipe, motivational talk. You understand? Day in the life, story timing, reviews. You understand? And also, if you want to do reaction video, you must know how to do that. But only do reaction video to those content that they do trend, will sell. Okay, those formats work because they are search based. You understand? Those one, make sure they are search based. Okay, consistency in everything. Your first video might get 5 views, my darling. Your 10th might get 50 views. Your 20th video might get 200 views. Then boom, the video number 35 goes viral. Only one video. You only need one video, my darling, to get started in YouTube and to be innate completely. Okay, my darling, that's how YouTube works. So one video a week. If you want to be consistent, you can even schedule every week, you give one video. Or if you are that hardworking, even 2 videos per week is good. 2 shorts, 1 long video. Understand? 2 shorts, you just post a short, then 1 long video. You are good to go, my darling. YouTube rewards creators who show up. Make sure you show up to your YouTube channel, my darling. Okay, don't quit. Don't quit. Even those big YouTuber, they started somewhere at 0 subscribers, at 0 watch hours, my dear. So YouTube reward those people who show up. Always show up on your content, my darling. Okay, branding your channel. This is very important, my dear. Branding is not just a logo. No, don't be cheated at just having a logo your channel now kills. No, branding is the feeling your channel gives viewers. Understand? You are creating your brand. Like this, there is this a YouTuber called Ben did it. Do you understand that Ben did it? That guy, just watched him growing, literally growing. When he started at 3K subscribers, I was there. Right now he's just almost 100 subscribers. You understand? And has really branded his YouTube channel. You understand? Think about color theme, thumbnail style, intro. You just have to have a specific introduction that people will know you for, or a specific thumbnail that people will understand you for, and that is the truth. You understand? Like when you go to that channel for Ben did it, his thumbnails, they're the same. They're the same, my darling. You can just spot it from somewhere. Your storytelling time, your personality should also tell your way. You are forming a brand. You understand? People just understand you like, there is certain words you must say in your storytelling. They'll catch that one. They'll go with it. Okay, my darling. Consistency in branding makes people recognize your content instantly. Okay, be very, my dear. You have, and people will know you for something. That is branding. People will just notice your video is around or it is there when they're in the search. You understand? Because of your branding. You're consistent in it. Okay? So just do that, my darling. And remember your face and style of you giving out your content. Understand? It is part of your branding. Your personality. People may know you for that. It is part of your branding. Okay? So be on it, my darling. Number 8, monetization. This is the real truth. To make money on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, my dear, million views on shorts. You understand? A consistent niche. Let YouTube know you for something. Of course, in the beginning, we started that do not niche down. But once you have just seen those niche, one of it, your subscribers or your viewers love it, niche with that. Then be consistent on it, my darling. Okay? No reuse. Don't even go and take someone's content there from the TikTok. You come and reuse here to post on shorts, thinking that will be monetized. My darling, YouTube knows. Do you know YouTube is Google? And Google, they recognize all the content that it is there on TikTok, on Thread, on Facebook. Google knows, and YouTube is Google, my darling. Okay? It is not only through monetization that you can make money in YouTube. You can also make money in YouTube 3 different ways: brand dealing, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, selling courses of digital members, TikTok cross protection. You understand? That is TikTok cross promotion. Okay? Facebook reel monetization, TikTok creativity program. All those you can make money here in the social media space. Starting a YouTube channel opens many income streams, my darling, but only if you treat it like a long-term job or investment. You will make money only if you treat it, you be serious on your YouTube channel. But if you take it as a part-time, you understand, the way Facebook we used to do, you just enter Facebook once even a week to check what was happening. By the way, you just go to Facebook twice per week. Like, seriously? Now even people can't even after 30 minutes, very long, people go to those social media space. Like, hey, okay. Number 9, the biggest mistake new creators make. I'm going to do that. Okay, avoid this mistake if you want to grow fast on YouTube. Okay, you avoid those mistakes. Waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time, my darling, for you to start a YouTube channel. Just start it right away. That niche that you have, that idea, is the what people are waiting for. So just make it happen. Just make it happen, my dear. Start with it. It is okay. Okay, my darling. Overthinking your niche. Do not overthink. That's what you are thinking. Just the top layer. That is what people are want. That's what people want to hear. So start with it, my darling. Don't go deep. We don't want to know more. We just want to know that what you know. Okay? Posting once a month, my darling, to not grow. Once a month, how? Now, just leave it. Don't post. Don't even start a YouTube channel if you want to post it once a month. Okay? You know, it will not work, my darling. Okay? No storytelling. Dear, you must be a storytelling to entertain them, to make story to them. So just try and be a good storyteller. It's not, no, and don't be perfect. You don't need to be perfect, my darling. Okay? Boring first 10 seconds. The first 10 seconds will determine when the audio retention to your video. You need to capture the eyes. You need to do it, my darling. Okay. My final words are, starting a YouTube channel can change your life. Financially, creativity, oh my god, me even don't even about financially leave it. The creativity part of it is the best. Just imagine growing up, you making and being exposed, growing because you're doing a lot of research and you know a lot, only because you need to give out content, but at the same time you are learning and you're becoming creative. Okay, emotionally, you just have to start. Stay consistent. Learn the algorithm of YouTube. Upgrade slowly. There is no rush. Just go slowly, my darling, and never compare your chapter 1 to someone else who's in chapter 40 or chapter 100. Even that person who is in chapter 140, he or she just started from chapter 1. And in everything, there is always the beginning. Okay? If you found this video helpful, my darling, don't forget to subscribe. Sure. Comment, like, my darling. If you find something, if you have learned something from this video, okay, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, be part of this community. And let me know which kind of YouTube channel you want to start. Let me know the niche from the comment section, then I'll come and tell you if that is the correct niche to start. Okay, thank you.